ferry. Sable, New York. Over to the Pines at Fire Island. October 3 is Saturday. Hurricane Joaquin's about a few hundred miles to the south, out to the east. Strong wind. Yeah, that one's going to the Pines. So let's go to Cherry Grove. Who knows what they'll find out there? A lot of beach erosion. Both ferries, it's about it. Nothing else out on the horizon. No other boats off in the distance, far in the distance. There's a Fire Island lighthouse, but you can't see the beacon this far out. Wind's a good 20 miles.